When it comes to choosing the right cookware for your kitchen, you want a product that combines functionality, style, and durability. This Wagensteiger Premium Stainless Steel Asparagus Steamer Pot checks all of these boxes and more. If you love cooking pasta, steamed vegetables, or even preparing asparagus, this high-quality steamer pot is perfect for getting the job done quickly, efficiently, and with great results. Let's dive into why this versatile cookware piece is a must-have for your kitchen. Key features of the Wagensteiger Premium Stainless Steel Asparagus Steamer Pot. The Wagensteiger Premium Steamer Pot boasts a beautiful brushed finish on both the interior and exterior. Not only does this enhance the pot's elegance, but it also makes for easy maintenance. The high-quality stainless steel finish is non-reactive, which means it will not alter the flavors or discolor your food. This ensures that your meals retain their natural taste and color, while the pot stays looking new for years to come. Non-reactive surface keeps food's flavor intact. Easy cleanup requires minimal effort to wipe down or clean. Maintains brilliant finish. The pot will not discolor over time. One of the standout features of this steamer pot is its 3-ply base with an aluminum core. This base construction is designed to deliver fast and even heating, ensuring that your food cooks efficiently, without hot spots or uneven temperatures. Whether you're steaming delicate asparagus or boiling pasta, the even heat distribution guarantees consistent results every time. 3-ply base, excellent heat conductivity for even cooking. Aluminum core helps distribute heat rapidly, reducing cooking times. Warp-free strength, the pot maintains its shape even under high heat. This steamer pot is incredibly versatile, making it ideal for a wide range of cooking applications. The perforated steamer basket allows for efficient steaming of vegetables, seafood, dumplings, and more. Plus, the ability to boil pasta or cook meats makes this an essential tool for any kitchen. This pot excels at retaining the nutrients, flavor, color, and texture of food, making it a healthier cooking method compared to frying. Steaming, perfect for veggies, dumplings, seafood, or even desserts. Boiling, use the pot for pasta, soups, and stews. Retains nutrients. Steaming helps preserve vitamins and minerals in your food. Handling hot cookware can be tricky, but the Wagensteiger Premium Steamer Pot has designed its handles for safety and comfort. The stainless steel handles are ergonomically designed and permanently attached, offering a secure grip for easy maneuvering of the pot, even when it's hot. The handles are also heat-resistant, so you can handle them without worrying about burning your hands. Secure, ergonomic handles, easy and comfortable to hold. Heat-resistant design, safe to handle even when hot. Durable construction, handles won't loosen or break over time. The Wagensteiger Asparagus Steamer Pot is not only compatible with all cooktops, including Induction, but it's also oven-safe and broiler-safe up to a certain temperature, making it incredibly versatile. Whether you're using it on a gas stove, electric, or induction cooktop, this pot delivers the same fantastic cooking results. Induction compatible, perfect for modern cooktops. Oven and broiler safe, versatile for different cooking methods. Dishwasher safe, simplifies cleaning and maintenance. Wagensteiger is known for crafting high-quality kitchenware, and this asparagus steamer pot is no exception. The pot undergoes strict quality checks to ensure it meets the highest standards. Additionally, each piece is packed securely in a sturdy box, making it perfect for gifting or storing when not in use. Strict quality control. Each pot is tested to ensure satisfaction. Beautiful packaging. Secure packaging for safe delivery. German designed, known for precision and durability. Why you should add the Wagensteiger steamer pot to your kitchen? If you're someone who loves cooking healthy meals, the Wagensteiger Premium Stainless Steel Asparagus Steamer Pot is an invaluable kitchen tool. It's perfect for steaming, boiling, and even frying, offering versatility and durability that is hard to beat. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner cook, this pot will make your cooking process more efficient, safer, and cleaner. Conclusion: a must-have for every kitchen. The Wagensteiger Premium Stainless Steel Asparagus Steamer Pot isn't just another kitchen gadget. It's a reliable, high-quality cookware piece that will help elevate your cooking. From its durable 3-ply base to its versatile steaming capabilities, this pot has everything you need for quick, efficient, and healthy cooking. Say goodbye to messy cookware and hello to easy, delicious meals. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.